Hi, I am Morris. She's Annie.
Hi, I'm Annie.
We'll be hosting this channel together. Today let's talk about the cultivation of semiconductor talents in Taiwan. Taiwan Semiconductors training institutions welcome outstanding foreign students to participate. I'll put the links to these training institutions at the back. Taiwan has the best environment for cultivating semiconductor talents, because Taiwan has one of the most complete semiconductor industry chains. The instructors at these training institutions in universities are usually senior executives of these semiconductor companies. These semiconductor companies are basically located near these universities. Whether it's doing internships in the course or answering students' questions, all have a unique environment. Let's start today's content.
The global semiconductor industry is actively expanding, and with the demand for talent from various countries, Taiwan's semiconductor professionals are sounding the alarm. Just TSMC and MediaTek, two major local enterprises, have recruited more than 10,000 people this year, and foreign companies have also joined the battle. ASML, the world's largest chip production equipment manufacturer, will hire 4,000 people this year, of which 1,000 are planned to be recruited in Taiwan. In addition, international chip tool and material manufacturers such as Merck and Integris will also recruit hundreds of people in Taiwan. According to data from the Taiwan Institute of Economic Research, as of the end of last year, Taiwan's semiconductor industry had more than 290,000 employees, higher than 225,000 in 2019 2 years ago, and the expansion speed is continuing to accelerate. However, the Ministry of Education found that the number of semiconductor-related graduates began to decline from 2009 to 2018. According to the latest data, the number of graduates from related departments in Taiwan dropped sharply from 116,000 in 2011 to 92,000 in 2019, and the downward trend is difficult to reverse in the short term. Taiwan is at the core of the semiconductor talent war. How to cope? In response, the Taiwan government passed relevant laws to allow enterprises to fund and assist national universities in cultivating industrial talents in key areas. Currently, 4 schools, NTU, NTHU, NYCU, and NCKU, have established semiconductor-related college programs and have started recruitment activities. National Sun Yat-sen University, National Chung-Sing University, National Cheng University, and National Taiwan University of Science and Technology also applied to establish various innovation colleges in the second wave. National Sun Yat-sen University was the first to be approved earlier this year and will set up the Advanced Semiconductor Packaging Research Institute and the Precision Electronic Components Research Institute. The other schools are still under review. National Taiwan University, Graduate School of Advanced Technology, NTU. Graduate School of Advanced Technology offers 3 major directions of study: integrated circuit design and electronic design automation, device materials and heterogeneous integration, and nanotechnology and science. Dean K.Z. Da said that NTU hopes to cultivate future leaders in academic and industrial units or pioneers in key technology fields. K.Z. Da pointed out that the development focus of the college is not only the semiconductor field, but also follows the 5 key points of the innovation law: semiconductor, artificial intelligence, smart manufacturing, circular economy, finance, and does not rule out moving towards other 4 major industries in the future. Graduate School of Advanced Technology is currently inviting strong faculty members from computer science, electronics, electrical engineering, etc. to teach, and will focus on English courses and internships. Students must enter the R&D department for internships and must also revise a certain proportion of English-taught courses. After reaching a certain stage, they will be adjusted to 100% English-taught courses, which is different from the general engineering departments. In terms of industry-academia cooperation, it cooperates with TSMC, MediaTek, Lixing, and Yuchuang, these 4 schools, to change the annual update of topics to long-term updates, and professors can carry out medium and long-term R&D projects for 2 or 3 years. For the students who want to apply for the NTU Graduate School of Advanced Technology, K.Z. Da emphasized that transcripts are not the only ones, and suggested that this stage can be well supplemented by academic performance and practical experience, whether they can provide favorable evidence and documents for review, such as competitions or experience of publishing papers with professors. NCKU Academy of Innovative Semiconductor and Sustainable Manufacturing is divided into 5 major programs: chip design, semiconductor process, semiconductor packaging, key materials, and smart and sustainable manufacturing. Dean Su-Yan Kun pointed out that the first 3 programs belong to Taiwan's strengths, and the latter 2 programs are unique to NCKU. Key materials such as photoresist, mask, polishing liquid, etc., are mostly imported from Japan, Europe, and the United States. As for semiconductor equipment, especially front-end processes, they are almost monopolized by the United States, Japan, and the Netherlands. NCKU has strong strength in the field of materials, and in conjunction with government policies, it has incorporated the latter 2 into the program. In addition to covering the upstream, midstream, and downstream sectors of the semiconductor industry, NCKU Smart Semiconductor and Sustainable Manufacturing College also integrates artificial intelligence, big data analysis, Internet of Things. Smart manufacturing also integrates artificial intelligence, big data analysis, Internet of Things, smart manufacturing, sustainable circulation, green technology, and carbon neutrality concepts. Su-Yan Kun said that NCKU will list these contents as compulsory courses and hopes to cultivate high-level and comprehensive leaders, provide comprehensive training for future technology needs, and apply the AI technology learned in the past to research and development or design and manufacturing. At the same time, the college cooperates with non-semiconductor manufacturers, and through the industry-academia cooperation of the current 15 enterprises, it finds out the current development bottlenecks and is taught or co-directed by senior industry teachers, such as industry R&D managers, senior R&D personnel, reducing the gap between learning and use. In addition, the college cooperates with universities south of Yunlin to establish semiconductor-related degree programs, credits, and promotion education, and cultivate social talents. For students who want to apply for Academy of Innovative Semiconductor and Sustainable Manufacturing, Su-Yan Kun suggested that they spend more time enriching their semiconductor knowledge and IC basic principles, understand ESG, carbon neutrality, and other concepts, must have correct concepts and responsibilities, and have basic integrity concepts. The professional knowledge and coursework here are heavier than those of general graduate students, and the research level is also higher than that of general papers, and they must compete with the world after graduation. So we attach great importance to the perseverance, responsibility, and characteristics of the candidates. NTHU College of Semiconductors. Research is mainly based on semiconductors, divided into 4 major key groups: Device Department, Design Department, Material Department, and Process Department. It is headed by Lin Benjian, the father of immersion lithography and the former vice president of R&D of TSMC, who rewrote the history of global semiconductor development. He also teaches in the Process Department and hopes to cultivate the leading talents of innovation and breakthrough in semiconductor technology. NTHU College of Semiconductors Research. Dean Lin Benjian pointed out that NTHU's goal is to create talents with 3 talents. Semiconductor technology is changing rapidly, and Taiwan must cultivate specialists who delve into profound knowledge in specific fields, generalists who have a broad vision and semiconductor literacy, and communicate and cooperate with experts in multiple fields, and active talents who can solve new problems and create new fields. Ability to maintain a leading position. Lin Benjian said that cross-disciplinary communication and cooperation are already the norm in the industry. Although the college is divided into 4 departments, cross-domain courses are still added to the design, creating cross-disciplinary talents. NTHU College of Semiconductors Research is now supported by 10 international giants, including TSMC, Tsing, World Advanced, Xing, Micron, Lianying, Global Crystal, and Lian Electric. NYCU Industry Academia Innovation Research College has the Prospective Semiconductor Research Institute and the Intelligent System Research Institute under it. It is headed by Sun Yuan Cheng, the former Chief Technology Officer and Vice President of R&D of TSMC. The former plans to invest in cross-disciplinary semiconductor top research and development and develop the next-generation semiconductor key technologies for the next 10 years. The latter cultivates talents from 3 major categories: artificial intelligence, data science, computing and applications, information security and information engineering, and broadband communication and Internet of Things. Sun Yuan Cheng believes that the establishment of the Semiconductor College is to make everyone face up to the problem of semiconductor talent shortage and can focus on cultivating high-level R&D personnel, creating world-class top talents and research teams. In addition to semiconductors, the college also combines artificial intelligence and cultivates talents from both software and hardware aspects. It also cooperates with NYCU's active layout in smart medical care in recent years. Different from the traditional industry-academia cooperation with professors as the main and industry teachers as the auxiliary, the Industry-Academia Innovation Research College combines professional professors, industry teachers, and international top scholars from the institute, jointly plans teaching courses, and jumps out of the short-term teaching of a single semester, and moves towards modularized permanent courses. In addition, the research direction will be closer to the industry and cooperate with TSMC, MediaTek, Jing, Lianying, Honhai, Wistron, and Advantech to directly cope with practical problems, achieve the effect of industry-academia co-creation, and accelerate the cultivation of more international industry elites. Only 400 graduates a year, can the Semiconductor College really fill the talent gap? It is worth noting that each semiconductor college can only cultivate about 100 people a year, and a total of 400 people from 4 schools, which is still difficult to fill the talent gap. KZ Da has a different opinion on this. He believes that the talent gap does not necessarily have to be filled, but if it is to be solved, it can only be done from increasing supply and reducing demand. The Taiwan government regard the shortage of technology talents as a national security issue. With the impact of low birth rate, in addition to cultivating Taiwanese talents, foreign students should be taken into consideration, and more foreign students should be attracted to study here and transform cultivating Taiwanese talents into a stage for cultivating high-level talents in the world.
I have put the links to these 4 colleges below. Recently, a second batch of universities cultivating semiconductor talents will set up specialized colleges. Those who are interested are welcome to pay attention. That's all today's content. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified of my latest videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for your support. This will make it easier for YouTube's algorithm to recommend me to more people. Thank you for watching.